what they bring to Valley Pure is a totally different system in which they're embracing, which is sports. And of course, we know what imports can bring to the game. That's why we get them, no? So it's different, stronger, may laban, but it's how they defense. She's a very, very good digger as well.
For someone who's 6 feet tall, sabi nga ni Kate, one of the
Longest rally.
Kaylee Mans to her partner, Kate Morel, who finds the corner.
You know, it's hard to stop Kate Morel. From our angle, she went over the blocker. So the blockers have to
Relax also while watching the teammates go to work. Pero itong Philippine Air Force, less time to relax, always on their toes. Semana.
sends it to Anton.
Yep. But my basketball instinct receives that one. Manzano. Oh!
Sayang, no?
Tumama yung kanyang braso sa net. Kaya naman leading our team is Roxanne Montealegre. We're all pumped up and ready for set number 2. Let's see if
Pantino actually for Air Force.
ito nga si Kate Morel, nakaka 42 points na in just 2 matches dito sa Jima Balmaceda na naman.
Working hard.
Napakasipag nitong si Balmaceda, and because of her, magkasama na yung mga yan.
Yeah. Kailangan talaga because you have to adjust really. You get imports. yeah, you know, they're playing a lot better right now. As you can see, mas may buhay sila, mas may
To when she was playing in the UAP, at ang sinabi na sa akin, not even half. And the reason why was mahirap daw ang ensayo ni Coach Tower.
Yeah, the middle part of the standings is really close. Kaya anyone's anyone's chance to get into the Final Four.
Doreen, para sa'yo, nakatulong ba na nakarami na ng laro ang UST? Kasi nga, nakikita mong pagkukulang dito sa side ng Philippine Air Force.
Well, you know, we haven't seen them really block better. So I think they also have to adjust in terms of blocking because I think in that previous game, already actually half lost the game.
Pantino rising above the blockers, but that ball went long. Just 3 sets. Laging umaabot yan sa at least 4 sets for that.
That's gonna be an interesting game.
Importanteng laban sapagkat 2-1 na ang kartada ng Lawag. Ang UP naman, they have to... Roses. Popped up by Balmaceda. Semana, it's a quick attack. Pero si Tita Jima
Oh, that's her second
now tied at 6.
na makakasama ko mamaya sa The Score.
Oh.
Yeah, so abangan nyo ang mga sports updates mamaya sa The Score, 10 PM po sa SNA. Siyempre pag-uusapan namin Cabalejo now from the opposite side where she is most effective. Morel binalik dito sa side ng Philippine Air Force. Yari Iyongko pinatalbog sa kamay ng mga blockers. Puntos para sa Philippine Air Force.
Always give a nice grin.
Quick attack with a lot of power. Josemer tapping. Dinagdagan ng anghang.
But they
Mapakanan, mapakaliwa. And with her being 5'10", when the ball is close to the net, she has options.
yeah, a lot of options.
Kaylee Mans right now is the #1 ranked setter in the reinforced conference. She chooses Kate Morel.
Finishes the match.
Why not? Kate Morel is one of the
Set number
best
3
scorers
was the Valley
here
Pure.
in this reinforced
25.
conference. And we'll be back to meet our player of the match. Stay with us right here on SNA.